Hello guys, this is HiTech Talk. So Instagram has finally announced IGTV monetization. So now with the two different ways you can earn money on Instagram. So the first one is IGTV video monetization. Whenever someone will see ads in your IGTV video, you will get a revenue from there. And ads will be basically of three types. The first one will be skippable, like whenever you want you can skip the ads, and the second one will be you can only skip the ads after 5 seconds, and the third one will be non-speakable. So the maximum duration of ad will be up to 15 seconds. So after that you can see the creator video. So the second thing is this is like a super chat, or you can say batches. So whenever you come live on Instagram, your followers can buy a batches for you, so from where you will get 65%, 55% revenue, and Instagram will take 45% revenue from there. So you can also see the screenshot here. So whenever your special followers, so who have bought batches for you, you can see by a special icon, so you can know, yeah, these all are your special followers. So you can reply to their comments, and you can have a good response and good relations with such followers. So this was a small update. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video is useful for you.